My pet. My pet is a small cat named Luna. I adopted her from an animal shelter 1 year ago. She was very quiet on the first day, hiding under the sofa and looking at everything with big eyes. Now she walks around the house like she owns it. Luna has soft white fur, blue eyes, and a long, fluffy tail. She moves quickly, jumps on the chairs, and plays with anything she finds. I try to take good care of her. Every morning, I give her food and change her water. I buy her dry food, wet food, and sometimes special treats. I also take her to the vet for checkups, vaccinations, and nail trimming. Once a month, I buy new toys because she destroys them with her teeth. I spend money on food, toys, and medical care, but it feels worth it. Luna helps me relax after work. She meets me at the door, follows me to the kitchen, and sometimes sleeps next to my laptop while I work. At night, she sits on my lap while I read. I enjoy watching her chase small balls across the floor. A pet makes the house more active and fun. Luna is a happy little cat with a big personality.